Software-defined networking, SDN, is a new and innovative way to manage and design network infrastructures. It is an approach to networking that separates the control plane, which is responsible for making decisions and configuring network devices, from the data plane, which is responsible for forwarding packets. This separation of the control and data planes allows for more flexibility and scalability to be built into networks. SDN is an advantageous approach to networking because it allows for a more granular level of control over the network. This is achieved by centralizing the control plane, which allows for the creation of policies and configurations to be applied across multiple devices in the network. This gives network administrators greater visibility and control over their networks, allowing them to quickly respond to changes and adapt to new technologies. Additionally, SDN is more cost-effective than traditional networks because it eliminates the need for dedicated hardware to run the control plane. This means that the same hardware can be used for both the control plane and the data plane, reducing the overall cost of the network. Finally, SDN is more reliable than traditional networks because the traffic is routed through a single controller, resulting in fewer points of failure. By having a single point of control, network administrators can quickly detect any issues that may arise and take corrective action. In conclusion, software-defined networking is a revolutionary approach to networking that can provide greater flexibility, scalability, cost-effectiveness, and reliability to any network. It allows for more granular configuration and control over the network and is more cost-effective than traditional networks. As the technology continues to evolve, SDN will become an essential part of modern networking.